Welcome to Learn English with Story. Today, let's join Hussam on his hospital visit and learn English together. Let's start.
Excuse me, where is the reception?
It's over there, on the left.
Thank you, I don't feel well.
What's wrong?
I have a headache and feel tired.
You should see a doctor.
Do I need to wait long?
Maybe a few minutes.
Okay, I will go now.
Take care.
Hello, I want to see a doctor.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Hussam.
What is the problem?
I have a headache and feel very tired.
Please fill out this form.
Okay, I will fill it now.
Then take a seat and wait.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This place is very busy.
Yes, it's always like this.
How long have you been waiting?
About 30 minutes.
That's a long time. Yes, but we have to wait. I don't feel very good.
Maybe your turn is soon.
I hope so.
Don't worry, you will be okay.
Hello, doctor.
Hello, please sit down.
I have a headache and feel tired.
Let me check you.
Okay.
Take a deep breath.
Like this? Yes, that's good.
Is everything okay?
I will tell you soon.
What do you think, doctor?
You have a mild fever.
Is it serious? No, it's not serious. Do I need medicine? Yes, I will give you some. How long will it take to recover?
A few days, if you rest well.
What medicine should I take?
I will give you a prescription
How often should I take it?
twice a day.
Before or after food?
After food.
Do I need to stay home?
Yes, get some rest.
Thank you, doctor. You're welcome.
Hello, I have a prescription.
Let me see it.
Here you go.
Okay, I will prepare it.
Are there any side effects?
Just a little drowsiness.
Are there any side effects?
Just a little drowsiness.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
I'm finally home now.
How do you feel?
I still feel tired.
You should rest.
I got some medicine.
That's good.
The doctor said I need sleep.
Then go to bed.
I hope I feel better soon.
You will be okay.
I feel better today.
That's great to hear.
The medicine is helping.
Good.
I don't have a headache now.
Nice.
I still need some rest.
Yes, take it easy.
I'm getting better slowly.
That's important.
I feel much better now.
I'm glad you are okay.
I learned something important.
What did you learn?
I should take care of my health.
That's very important.
And I should rest when I'm tired.
Yes, always listen to your body.
What do you do when you feel sick?
That's a good question.
I want to call the hospital.
Hello, how can I help you?
I visited yesterday.
How do you feel now?
I feel better.
That's good to hear.
Do I need another visit?
Not unless symptoms return.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
I'm going outside today. Are you sure?
Yes, I feel stronger now.
Take it easy.
I just need fresh air.
That's a good idea. I won't stay long.
Okay, be careful. I feel normal again.
That's great. I want to live healthier. That's a good plan. I will eat better food. Good choice. I will sleep early.
That helps a lot. I will drink more water.
Excellent.
I feel motivated now.
Keep going.
I will start walking daily.
That's great. Just a short walk. That's enough.
I don't want to get tired. Go slowly. I feel good while walking. That's healthy.
I enjoy this.
Keep it up.
I'm thankful for my health. That's important.
I learned a lot from this.
Me too. Health comes first. Always. I will take care of myself. That's the best decision.
What do you do to stay healthy? That's a great question.
I woke up early today. That's a good start.
I feel more active now.
That's great.
I had a healthy breakfast.
Good choice. I want to keep this routine. You should. It makes me feel better. Keep going. I feel healthier every day. That's amazing. Keep it up.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and support the channel for more English stories. See you next time.